the queer community using metaphor and analogy, I discovered something fascinating about binary, zeros and ones, that from a philosophical, and this is fast, from a philosophical perspective, you know, dualism postulates that there's rigid distinction between mind and body. Dualism, mind and body. Monism posits that these rigid distinctions are part of the same phenomenon, or epiphenomenon. So dualism has like a polarity, zeros and ones. Monism has the part of the same, but non-dualistic is outside of this. And I learned this in non-binary, how non-binary, the metaphor, and how the analogy is interpreted in the queer community. Non-duality is defined as not two or one, but undivided. You know, it's a matured state of consciousness. We could look at it from a transpersonal psychological perspective, one that transcends beyond personal identity.